Well, hi there, everyone, and welcome back to Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. In today's module, we are going to learn how to calculate scrap rate inside of Google Sheets. Now, scrap rate is a very important metric that many businesses use, but it's used quite commonly in manufacturing, and it helps us understand how many of the units that are produced are defective or are going to be scrapped out. Systems like material requirements planning or enterprise resource planning calculate scrap rates automatically, but we're going to learn how to set up a formula inside of Google Sheets to automatically calculate our scrap rate. So the first thing that we need to do is put a few things in and get our sheet all set up. And the first thing that we're going to need to calculate our scrap rate is the total number of units produced. We're also going to need the number of units scrapped, and our automatic calculation of scrap rate will be in column C. So once we have that all set up, then we can start to enter some data. So let's say that we have 1,000 units produced and 50 of those are scrapped or defective. We want to be able to auto calculate this in C2 here. So the way that we would do that is we're going to set up a formula. Now, there's a few different ways that you can calculate. Some people like it in a decimal and others like it as a percentage, and we're going to show you how to do both of those. So we've got our formula set up here. So we're going to hit equal sign, and we can do B2 divided by A2. And this will give us 5% right here. Now, if we wanted to calculate this as a decimal, then we need to reformat this column, which is C, and just change it back to automatic, and we'll see that we have 0.05 as our scrap rate. Again, if you want a percentage, you just come up here and format it as a percent, and this would be a 5% scrap rate. So let's do another one here. What we'll do is change this back to a standard or an automatic so that we have a decimal. We're going to go ahead and grab this number, and we're going to paste it all the way down. Now you see we get those really ugly div errors, and we don't want those. So let me clean this up real quick. I'm going to bold this out, match the color, and then what I'm going to do is open this up with an if error formula. And so here's the actual calculation. If we have all our numbers in there, we want B2 to calculate what the answer would be. And if there's a div error, we would like this number to, or this cell to remain blank. So now we can take this, copy it, paste it all the way down, and let's go ahead and clean that up again. We'll bold this out, match it with our colors right here, and you can see we have 0.05 and no more div errors. So let's say we produce 250 units and 50 of those were scrapped out. It would be a 0.2 scrap rate. Now again, if you want these to be a percentage, just select the whole column and format it that way. You can get rid of decimals if you'd like, just by going like that, or you can keep them. And if we want it to be just a decimal, then we'll come up here to format and go automatic. And that's it. That's how you calculate scrap rate inside of Google Sheets. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.